Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We're still tracking a cold front that's continuing to move further eastwards today, but behind it there's still lots of cold air pushing all across the eastern parts of South Africa. And at the same time, there's a low pressure system in the higher levels of the atmosphere that's now stalled through the central parts. And the combination of these two systems keeps things very cloudy and wet all across the eastern parts. Lots of rain in the forecast, in particular for the Highveld. And along with that, we're going to see some very low temperatures. We still expect some snowfalls for today as well as tomorrow over the Drakensberg, while further westwards, berg winds are pushing the temperatures up, especially along the Atlantic coast. Couple of alerts for today. The first is a watch for heavy rain that could lead to localized flooding for some areas on the Highveld, including parts of Gauteng, and similar conditions in the forecast for central and southern KwaZulu-Natal. There's also a watch in place for significant snowfalls that could cause disruptions, mostly for travel across the Drakensberg areas of the Eastern Cape, so do take care if you're driving across that area. Isolated showers for today for parts of the Free State, becoming scattered as you head further eastward, and widespread showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for Gauteng, parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. We could even have a few showers drifting towards the Lowveld. There's also a very good chance for rain between Durban and Richards Bay along the KZN coastline today. Very cold weather settling into the northern interior of the country. Johannesburg, you reach a high of 11 degrees, 7 as a maximum for Ermelo on the Mpumalanga Highveld. And it remains cold for the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, most places reaching the lower to mid-teens only. Although we see temperatures climbing into the high teens along the eastern coastline, it's going to be a windy day for Durban and Richards Bay. Along with that, choppy seas in the forecast with a swell of 3 meters. And we see temperatures starting to recover over the southern parts, Worcester and Robertson climbing to a high of 24. Windy weather along the south coast, easterly winds becoming moderate to fresh at times, but light winds for Muizenberg, allowing the temperature to climb above 20 degrees. It'll be a cool to cold afternoon for the Northern Cape interior, very windy for Springbok with a maximum of 20. And along the coastline, it's also going to be windy for Alexander Bay. Those northeasterly winds indicate bergwind conditions, allowing the temperature to climb to 30 over this area. And we have a 2-meter swell for Table Bay coming in from the southwest once again. A look ahead to tomorrow, and that cut-off low will still be bringing some wet weather to the eastern parts of the country. Isolated showers for Gauteng. It is going to be a little bit warmer over the area, but most of the action is going to be taking place along the KZN coastline. Lots of rain with very windy conditions, as well as rough seas for that KZN coastline. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.